Hi everyone, my name is Imani and today's video is going to be rather quick. I'm going to do a wash and go using the Dippity-do, what is this? Girls with Curls Gel. This product has been around for a while. A client recently bought it in and wanted me to use it on her hair, and I don't know, I was just like, let me see how this would work on natural hair. So hence the video today. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start out using the Milano Miracle Milk Leave-In Conditioner. And we're just going to spray that all over. I like to be generous with this, by the way. So I'm going to start in the back. And then we'll pull everything up. Wash and goes can be so tricky, so we'll see how this goes. Spray a little more and spray water. One thing about wash and go is plenty of water. Oops. Am I spraying the camera? Okay, we're gonna comb that out. Hopefully you all can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna use a couple other products. I'm gonna use a little cream. Just a tiny bit of that. And then I'm going to use some of this Compositions foam by Design Essential. Okay, this Compositions foam is really feeling good. Now we're going to put a little of the Dippity-do. So right now I'm speeding up the video because I'm just repeating the same process that you just saw me do. I'm just detangling my hair. I'm going to spray with the water, the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to use the Compositions foam, the cream, the Dippity-do gel, and at the end you'll see me using oil. Okay, these are the final results of my wash and go using the Design Essentials Composition Foam, the Dippity-do gel. Oops. I used a little bit of cream and of course the Milano leave-in conditioner. I am very pleased with the results. I did get some spots where I went overboard on the gel and it's got like the little white cast in some spots of my hair, but that's totally my fault because I went, like I said, a little overboard. The gel is very fine, very soft, so you may find that because it's so soft that you want to apply more, but a little bit goes a long way for sure. So I have ways to fix that. Just slight flaking, nothing major. I don't have any like white cast to my hair other than those spots where I went overboard with the usage. So yeah, I would definitely use it again. I hope that this video has been helpful to you all. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.